How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the App Store on your device first and search for Snapchat there. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version since this feature does not work in older versions. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Now open the Snapchat application on your device and tap on your profile icon or your Bitmoji. And then tap on the settings button there. Scroll down and under my account, you will see the option for app appearance. Tap on that. You will see various options here. In order to get dark mode on Snapchat, select the option for always dark. After selecting this option, Snapchat will always use a dark app appearance. With this, you can see I have successfully changed my Snapchat to dark mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.